Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Everyone, God bless you. God bless you. Please, if you are there, help us do sharing. As you do that, God bless you richly in Jesus' name. Just help us do a little sharing as we do a big drive around. By the grace of God, there's something very important we want to quickly talk about. As you can see, we are still after our gene in our society. Our gene is not supposed to be something that is negotiable. It's something that is a must. We have to go for it. We have to go for it. We need it. At the time a plant is being photosynthesized, a plant that have no chlorophyll, there's no way it can produce well. That's what our gene means in society. Until we have our gene in society, there's never a time we are going to be exempted from facing police brutality and all manner of things against. If you watch it right now, it's a slap on our face. Seeing recently that social media have been jam-packed with too much humiliation our color have been facing. I know they try to tell us that we are equal, love guys, everybody, but to what we are facing is hard time. We continue to put all necessary measures together to see how we can be able to achieve a better society. This better society will not come until you and I we do the needful. How we go to do the needful is for us to call to the dinner table of human civilization, not as a waiter this time, not the food to be eaten, but as a diner. The best way we can achieve a better society is to begin to speak truth to power. If you check out the topic vividly, I wrote something very spectacular for us to reason today, which is witchcraft is not only when you fly at night. Anybody who takes pleasures in the pains and suffering of others is a witch. So that's it. If you watch it today, we have so many witches and wizards in our societies. They punish us also in the night. They also want to punish you politically. How they punish you in terms of politics? They are punishing you by not allowing the people that are supposed to be in power to be in power. If you watch the recent predicament right now all over Nigeria, election is no longer free and fair. But to the one we have seen, we have to make sure we keep on speaking and teaching our people. And today in Delta State, as I tell you, as I'm speaking to you right now, the individuals, they have formed up a group, a vigilante group to also help the government. Which by the grace of God, I'm going to be showing us a little video of it. As I speak with you right now, I'm going to be showing you a little video of it. So I told all time with that, no, but anytime we see that people are beginning to adapt some of the things we are talking about, we are most very happy. Why are we happy? We are happy that we are privileged or we are opportune to also speak truth to power. And at the end of the day, what we are talking about do fall in within. It may be after or before, it do comes. That is to say, we are supposed to be a part of the government. And the grace that God has given to us is not to humiliate anybody. So just see it. I'm going to show.
The Neoma Security Watch, a vigilante group whose operational network cuts across the 9 local government areas.
Just watch.
The group is made up of able-bodied men and women who have continued to sacrifice and put their lives on the line in order to wage war against the criminally minded elements. They have also been very committed to securing the lives and properties of the people in the region. They chanted various songs as they marched to the office of the secretary to the state government SSG to register their grievances on the unabated maiming, kidnapping, psychological and emotional torture and killings of unarmed residents of the state in their respective homes, and also the gruesome attacks on farmlands by the suspected Fulani herdsmen who have continued to wax stronger in their heinous crimes against society unabated. Hence, they protested, seeking legislative backings to carry out equal firearms and other logistics to fight the hoodlums headlong. Henry Onwumalieze is the commander at Neoma Security Watch.
Even that day they were shooting for Mr. Luke. We were watching the bullet coming, the SARS were here. the army came and joined us. I was with the bar. And we threw our boat, they were throwing like from that mango tree. And army was throwing the boat from here. I expected them to move in. If there are good locks in that place, and people are here with AK-47 like that, then we have to chase them. That's war. But all of us were down shooting because we don't have the kind of arm they have. So what I'm saying, in effect, we were just coming from House of Assembly. They should make a law that will enable us to fight this crime by ourselves. Give us the route to carry similar gun they have, so we can face them. Because if they kill one Abo man, or Washukuma, or Iselukuma, or even Yoruba man here, somebody died in Delta State. But some say I don't know what we're talking about, that your mother went to farm, he cannot come back. Your sister went to visit the neighbor's sister in Iseluku, he cannot come back. See, we have what it takes to face them. We don't need army. We don't need mobile. All we need is a law that will enable us to carry the similar equipment they have, so we can face them. As we are going to Asaba, they call that those boys, they were watching them on their camera when they're sharing money. Both them. They were sharing money. And I told them I'm in hospital to drop this man. I can't come back now. And people there watching, they're sharing money in that middle of that view. And all the police and army knew the center of where I'm telling you now. So if all this gone that they are parading in this state is given to this young youth, everybody will go to their houses and sleep their 2 eyes. What we're saying is that we have trained this youth. They have been in the camp for more than 2 weeks. And they are passed out. And we're ready to fight. Who are we fighting? We're fighting the enemy who said that Delta cannot sleep. And the highest we can do for this state is to support the government in fighting this crime. And we have sacrificed a lot for 9 years. And if we have people like
you can see what he just said. He said to support the government. To support, what did I say? To support the government. He said what? To support the government. Now, what are those people doing to support the government? I'm going to be very raw here. What is the those people doing to support the government? Rather than to give him a headache. Governor wouldn't see pass for the whole Nigeria and Abi Obaseki. But I thank him very much for his democratic behavior. He has really shown that he's really a leader who is accessible, who take all manner of things. Ogle manner will agree what you know. Now let Obaseki for therefore don't see him. It's only at those stages you will see somebody become an activist because of a governor. Still only in Edo State. That somebody become an activist throughout a whole year. You are not any other topic talking about apart from a state governor. You don't talk about what's affecting the Delta State. Kogi is there, you don't talk about it. What's the work of activists? You say it all around. You can even talk about things that is affecting Soweto. If you had the news, you talk about it. In Burkina Faso, you can talk about things that also affect them. Your activism should not be centered to your own state. And here we are clapping for these people. Look at Delta right now. These are some of the things I'll be talking about. That there is a sense why those states should have their state security, just like Amoteco. Before you know right now, the Deltans, they will chase away the Holums that constitute nuisance there in Delta. All of them will trip into Edo State. But how many people right now, how many of these gangs, how many of the Egbe that we have, who have come out together and say, okay, now, how do we serve this state? This is what I feel I can give to my people to open your understanding, good or bad. Only the activists in the whole Nigeria who support this activism with the word of God. And it does not take me, it took me a lot to get one verse of the Bible. Go and ask your pastor. That's why your pastor collect money from you. It's not easy to count one verse of the Bible and relate to the Bible. Then you begin to dance through the Bible. At the end of the day, you use some of all these things I say, use it to pray, and you get your miracle, you get your healing, or whatever, you know, whenever you need it, wherever place you are lacking on something, you know. So that's it. So the best I can is what I'm giving right now. If I were to be in Edo State by the grace of God, I guess I will do more than this. That is just it. Right now we have chest. Why not let form ourselves and create that one in a form of nothing will be more than that. For example, right now, government have talked about Edo State police or Edo State security or whatever, about 3,000 that look at the person, so and so person like this, is the one spending it. You will got an accolade. You definitely got an accolade. Because a lot of people we see today, most of all, we talked about Paul the Apostle, we talked about a lot of them. Paul the Apostle, he got repented, and the gradualism that he had, he burned churches and all of that, he converted it to serve God. Your Egbe Weja right now, the one thing that is constant in life is change. It change the way we live, it change the way we eat, it change the way we do all manner of things, you know. But we want to keep on doing one thing, I expect a different result. And right now, I used to be this before. Right now, I want to serve my people. When are we really going to stand and serve our people? Is the question we need to ask ourselves. When? Is it in this century or in the century to come? You know, we to use what we have. Let's help the state government. The government cannot do it alone. Okay, look at right now, these people, they went to House of Assembly to go and meet them. Put this in into law so that we can also have permission to carry the kind of ammunition these people are carrying. Okay, now who legalize all these guns for all these Hollands and Fulani? Nobody legalizes for them. All the excuse they give that they are using to protect the animal and all of that. But the state right now, I just pray that the Delta state government should listen to them and empower these people. This is what I felt anybody can do for its community. And right now, they are beating up. A slap upon any black supposed to be a slap upon black race. Because this racial profiling, we need to stop it. How are we going to stop it? It's for we to stand and start. We have to start building our country from the local government. Each and every individual of us should start disciplining ourselves and begin to live right. Because we cannot continue like, because you cannot keep on doing one thing and expect a different result. It's the same result you are going to be seeing. I do tell us all the time, all these places you are seeing right now, we are made by human beings. We are made by a governor. A budget is being read for it. Allocation, they draw out allocation for it. Nobody eat the money. But at times you hear that so and so roads were given to one chieftains. He eat the money. Because they don't call the governor past person. He not go talk. Is this not how we are believing? So that's how you think you're going to live the life? Look at the society we are facing right now. Most of our fathers, they are still alive. And they are suffering the same thing. At the end of the day, we want to come and say that I labor for my children. How will you say you train your child? At the end of the day, the society you are living down for your child is a society when he's coming back from school or at the brim of his success. Any other person can just come and kill the person. All these things you are saying were done by human beings. You know, we are never created by God. The earth was without land and void. The earth, it was the same way God created everything. The darkness was upon the face of the earth, just the way it is in Africa. Also, it's in Europe here. But they choose to say, okay, right now, look at what we must do to get a change. And right now, there is civilization. But we are not still civilized. The people who were expecting, they cannot reason and think on their own. You are still doing follow. Anywhere belief is. If one person say one person is bad, every other person will start emerging. If one person say this is my governor, every other person will follow. And then you don't have a say on your own. And go and ask the person, why did you say this person is your governor? And why are you supporting this person? He should be able to give you various reasons. If the people that did this road, I just turn right now from a runabout, and the person we are not giving time to finish it, how is it going to be done? Then we are seeing right now, so many things is happening in our state. Development is going on. Then we are removing the hand that started it. We are removing the hand that started it. And when there are other things you can help the government to do, it's not forbidden if you have a dream. It was Pharaoh, Joseph a dream, Joseph ability, or Joseph purpose in life, because he was a dreamer. He was an interpretation. He do interpret dreams. That was why the gift you have gotten. Don't forget that the book of Proverbs, he said the man's own gift will make a way for him. He make him sit among kings. He dream letter speak for him. Pharaoh had a dream and nobody could interpret the dream. They went to go and call on Joseph. Just interpret the dream. As he was interpreting the dream, he was made a prime minister in a foreign land. So if the government found out that, the government of the day found out that really you have an idea, what they do is to say, okay, right now, you can best fit this position. You just occupy this position for us, then life goes on. Then we are there. The reason why I just showed all that video, I was not supposed to come out. I don't want to show that video so that wherever, anywhere this video get to, then we should start thinking, what can we give to our people? What can we give to our people? Politics under normal condition is not supposed to be a lucrative business. Yeah, bro, it's not a lucrative business. You can be a politician and you still have your own work you are doing. You are a politician and you still have your own work where you go and get your daily bread. Through politics, we are becoming billionaires in the detriment of other people, but we are not seeing anything bad about it. Okay, how do you know that a government that is good? A government that is good does not just focus on its party alone. It makes it go all around. It builds up a sustainable society. That's what it does. If you feel because any government that did not empower you personally is bad, One thing I'm so happy about is that this life, a day will come. God will just, the soul taker will come, you know, and call you to come and give account of your still worship. So whatever thing we do today is what we are going to reap tomorrow. He said, don't be deceived, our God is not mocked. Whatsoever a man soweth, that shall reap. So if we are sowing evil, we will reap it. If we are sowing good, we will reap it. The recent crisis today we are seeing, it is not be emancipated by God. It is being emancipated by some group of human beings who feel that they have power, who feel that somebody that is holding the handle of the knife, then you that is holding just the tip, you feel like, okay, now, be that you are not been there, you tell you never want to give up. You expect the person who is there before want to give up before you. I've said it before. At the time when the tigers and the lion finish killing themselves, there will be free food for the vultures to eat. So if you love your loved ones, tell them to desist away from this very crisis that is about to hit the community. There's a bloodshed that is about to hit the community. Tell them to desist away from it. Manage the little resources you have. The people that the students, they are not complaining. The people that are supposed to be complaining right now, maybe the primary school teachers, they don't still have basic amenities for their learning and all that. Maybe pensioners are crying. Maybe we that are here, we are seeing security and all of that. The government have tried its best. The only thing that is remaining is left for the citizens of the state to write out their vision, write out what they need, submit it to the government, so and so thing like this. The strength will join together to criticize this government of the day. If we put it together to begin to write different letters on insecurity, make different protests on this, not how the state is supposed to look like. Not one person, you create a platform in the detriment of other people, or you now use it to destabilize the state, you know. You can also come out and cheat. It's not all about criticism. Because all my topic is not always based on criticism. You can also come out, say how it was supposed to be. Show us environment in where you are. Tell us whether a private individual are doing. You will tell us. Then the government will still learn from it. Don't become a critic. And deal with the same UAU who could not even control 100 people. Then you are expecting somebody that is controlling about 4.5 million people. How do you expect everybody must not have to, you know, get to the level of food they want or something? Yesterday, by the grace of God, my association, we went for second palliatives. I'm not in a hurry to start posting it to social media or to start showing people as if they are hungry, because I'm not doing it because of politics. But you politician, you share something and you post it out there. This is high-end money people suffered for. They were never a politician. But in what way we can help, we are doing our best to make sure we do the necessary thing that is supposed to vote as a citizen. So if everybody take one side, you take the other side, then you find out that having a better society is the most easiest thing. Let's put in necessary measures. Let's put necessary proactive measures. You know, there's a way e-government can also help us at times. I told you the other time, macronation is the life out there you live in internet. Most of us, we feel everything we're going to be doing is going to be done on social media. You have the right to insult anybody. No. Forget insult that time. There's time and season for everything in the book of Ecclesiastes. 3 from verse 1. Let there also be time that just come do lectures. Don't be a fool. Don't be mumu. Carry your followers along. You cannot become an antagonista. Because at the time your platform is known for only quarreling, how to humiliate people, then you are insane. And these are the same people you people are believing on. A man that one first say all manner of things, this person is a thief. That to say, what is he taking the people for? He's taking the people as if they are fools or they doesn't know what they are doing. So you expect me to say now, today everything that I've criticized in my life, tomorrow I start telling you that that thing is not normal. The word of God is here and amen. So every responsible man, if at all you want to also avert from your word, or there's going to be changes, it should be a little changes. 5% of 100% of what you have said before. Why you should be 99% holding on to what you have said, then 5% meandering. I can cambiarlo por 5%. You know? No tiene que cambiar todo una vez. Eso es una locura, hombre. A mí me da mucho vergüenza, and that is, it gives me shame to see how we human beings, black race, we are clapping for things that are very, very irrelevant. Even for most of us that live in a better society, if the government that have good mind for infrastructural development, if it's not be given the full time to do that, how will it be able to achieve the goal that we want? Amos 33, he said, can two work together? I said they agree. Cannot work together. If you are not in line, if you are not ready to support your governor to do what he has started, to make sure he completes his project, then you are the one to face whatever. You know, the people that we are even clamoring for, tensions everywhere right now. I'm going to watch all of you. As soon as I don't start to the arrest on ourselves right now, I'm just up here watching to see how you people is going to end up. And by the grace of God right now, Commissioner Babatunde Johnson Kokomu, he's almost been prepared right now to be sent to Edo State. You know, this was a man I welcomed then. Despite where he was a very close friend to me, I never begin to use to humiliate anybody, all for the betterment of the state. You know, that's what we should be doing. What are we know for today? Then you belong to one gang, or you do it to constitute nuisance. That's the best you can give to your state. You belong to one gang, or you do to insult everybody. You have never wanted to do any lecture in your life because they do screening, take the entire social media. Check it. If they were to be doing screening, did you have anything that qualify you to even come out and talk on live Facebook? You don't have any qualification for that. If even in your family, you were the most dumbest human being alive. I'm aware because you were not relevant. I'm aware because we're here you are today because Europe is full of both mumu and everything. Even the American today, not be their killer day today. I begin to watch the American, watch some of their law enforcement officers. They're not just, most of them not just get ahead. They can bully you and kill you, assassination of character. They can assassinate broad line. Most of them they are also thieves. Arigoni and Umio, they go tell you say this thing. Now €1 they want to do. Whereas now free. America, I'm telling you right now, we are observing. Look at this man that deliberately just killed a black man. He killed him for noticing. He was very comfortable. This is what they do. If they are labeling you something, they are labeling you. They're not they think. They label you until you die. That's what's happening today right now. But tomorrow now, that policeman will come and be calling other people's criminal. Or be calling other people they are terrorists. Perhaps he's the most terrorist. There are different ways to die. There are people that can kill you morally because they will report you to authority, which those authority, their eye will forever be in you. So what is the difference between George Ford and whatever thing that be happening before? Deformation of character, assassination of character, all of them, they are all the same. So until we all rise up to do the needful, to fix up our communities, we have to do it. All these things you are seeing, today, it was done by human beings. All these houses consist of both both everybody they here. They live together. You know, they hear say your neighbor, the word that can happen if you too loud your music, it go hit wall, it go call back. Or back go settle now. But we cannot coexist together. Imagine somebody living, the platform you are living is quite very different from your live Facebook. Is different from woman's own. Tell me what will concern you, concern anybody. If I thought say person throw mouth can't give you, if you were to be relevant enough, will you start responding or begin to throw stone at every door that back at you? A lot of people have thrown mouth on me at time. It's not everything if I even remember, I put you into my topic. I don't even need to start doing that. I'll treat nonsense come on for your head. So that's why I want every one of us to be judged by our word. Our politicians should be judged by their word, particularly in this very particular scenario. You cannot become a Akpabio Enupasia. You vomited everything before that this person is not trustworthy. Right now, you want us to take that person as somebody you are bringing. Hell no, it will not happen. Or Noya Bagbe will use you people's mental as one attack. The word that can happen, why we not lie though? Why we lie? It is also now. Why if why we lie? Why we don't know why you do? Because this nonsense, we have to correct a lot of things. We have to, what you know they cannot do to you, don't do it to other people. Yeah, we carry the Bible. Even the people that claim that they are men of God, now their own worst part. Look the book of Luke chapter 6 verse 31. He said, do unto other likewise, what you may have them to do to you. If you know you never want to be troubled when you are sitting down, doing your thing, even when you are doing the right thing, somebody will come and start fighting you. And the person fighting you have no one particular thing. I heard one person said, I don't want to mention their name because they don't have sense. At your 50s, you said the decision you take some years ago here, you never mature at that time. Now you will never mature. I'm going to be looking for that video and I'm going to humiliate that man. Thank God, according to him, he's at his 50s. He's at his 50s. That to say you are still a boy. When I say man for, you are regretting what you said years ago here. Not even when you were 20s. That to say this is how you people would have even misled this thing. Do all manner of things. How will a grown man regret and you are now growing mature? Can I say now what I said 2017? I'll say now they grow mature. I will see if they say I insult person, I'll see say the person say, what bear here, what boom, why must we play game with people? That to say some years ago here, where you were one, and then when and you are taking now another world decision again of your life. That's what you are taking right now. Because every bit of things you are showing right now, even in your house, you are going to repeat. How will a grown man say that? You enter whatever and believe spill your manner of things. Out of the abundance of the heart, the Bible said the man speaketh. Look at Paul the Apostle in the book of 1 Timothy, chapter 1, verse 13. He said everything he was one first a blasphemer and a persecutor. Paul the Apostle was a violent man. But it was so mercy. It was so mercy. All those violence that Paul the Apostle used to do, he converted it to serve the government. He converted it to preach the gospel. What is the gospel? Everything that carry freedom, everything that carry good governance is the gospel. But today, we are always getting it twisted. Feeling you must have to go to crusade first. No. The life you live is a gospel. What I'm doing today is the gospel. I want everybody, charge me according to my word, that look at this thing you said. I know no book. I can use he for she. I'm not that eloquent. But Moses was not eloquent. He was able to defeat Pharaoh. Moses gave an excuse when God called him. I'm sending you to Pharaoh. He said, I'm not eloquent in speaking. The same thing I am saying to God all the time. So that God knows the best way He can best energize me or give me power to do whatever thing I put on ground I'm going to do. This activism, we must carry it to the end. We must teach you people what is called life. We must teach you people what is called morals. You know, you just grow up from somewhere, nobody's even complaining. Nobody's complaining. To the extent other state governor is even imitating this very man. But we are not comfortable. You want to get it by force? Do you think what was written down in the book of Matthew 11, verse 12, since the day of John the Baptist, the kingdom of God suffered violent, only the violent men that take it by force? Or no, this is not. This full stupidity to your eyes order. If we read the Bible, let's live according to the Bible. If we say we serve God. So that is to say, if you have this kind of attitude, you people have this kind of attitude, you are betrayed to the Christendom. No wonder till today, only Donald Trump now the talk say may they reopen church again. No one leader can say it. If I say at the time, pray for Donald Trump, a lot of people will start writing comment, and Donald Trump this, Donald Trump that. Because you are fools. They say the carnal man does not understand the things of the spirit. Why? Because it is spiritually designed. You will never understand. If not Donald Trump, they would have wiped off Christianity through this very COVID-19. That is part of the agenda. Who is to speak for you? Is it Chinese that is to speak for you? Or Russia, they don't even need China, I want to speak for you? Is it Chinese that have started removing cross that is more higher than their national flag? They want to speak for you. Only Donald Trump still, whether you like it or not. Igbovo. Stupidity and all manner of things will not make some of us to do what we are supposed to do. Stupidity. That's what causes it most of the time. We never make us to realize anything. You know, we cut everything to be politics. Everything we politicize it. Everything. Everything. If you talk about one thing, you'll see one person will comment, so this one. No, it's not all about that. Not just that. Let not get it twisted. Donald Trump, he feasts in all areas. Leader, the past leader. It's not about sharing money. So if you have not go and read about leadership, what the meaning of leadership, you have to go and study it. Then you know that you never get leader for Nigeria. What you have looters and rulers. They rule over you as they like. They are not ready to lead you. Who is a leader? A leader leads by example. That's what the leader does, man. A leader live by example. When Paul the Apostle were telling us, he said, I the prisoner of the Lord, beseech you, brethren, that you walk in the vocation wherein you are called. You know what he was saying? Imagine Paul the Apostle that was one first a blasphemer. He converted his anointing. Let every Egbewoja in Nigeria, just the same way right now. I guess those of these people who went to go and meet their SSG to the state governor, Secretary General to the state governor, then they might have think they have a momentum. All these are Paul the Apostle. If you want to be respected, use your Egbewoja to protect your community. That what should be your first priority, you know. Not all about what you are going to eat. No. If not small you get, this life that they died, they live on. The person that died your that day right now, that George Ford, he never expected it. He never expected he's going to die, but automatically he's gone. Why did that man happens to do that? This racism that Jim Crow law standing. He come to a time in America, black man nothing enter car or enter anywhere. Black man often enter some areas because this racial segregation and all this racial profiling and the rest, you know. But here we are today, we are struggling to make sure whatever thing we are looking for, it get to us. Instead of a lot of us to try the best thing we can do to help ourselves, yet all we do is to start planning evil against other people. That's the best thing we know how to do. How to plan evil, how to plot evil, how to overthrow. Later you go to church and start preaching love. Now you will say you love Jesus when you don't even love you. If I thought, okay, now make this my friend, my brother, I for follow you drag this thing, oh, because of God we are the serve. So you have not served God yet. Other people will be insulting other people's children. Not be my own that they insult you, but I will still come and fight for them because that doesn't know the reason why they are alive. I never mind. That is not to know a man of God. I would have been putting fire. But I've quenched a lot of useless quarrels and a lot of things happening in social media. I've quenched it myself. Use my own platform. Nobody buy data for me. The agenda I'll be talking about in social media, I have not seen any person who talked about it in his platform. I come with different kind of topics. I have reason for doing everything I'm doing all the time. There's never a time I did any program without scriptural verse that anybody will get from me. It was two persons that called me yesterday. Two persons called me yesterday. Sir, you don't come now and say, my brother, I need to rest up my head. Or if they are not benefiting, will they be coming? Or am I doing sack? Why is people watching right now watching? They know that after the end of this very particular topic today, something tangible will happen also in their life. Something tangible will happen. Yeah, we have to say the truth is a problem. All these house we are seeing right now, all these house we are seeing right now is owned by human beings. It's owned by human beings, not owned by goats. In this area right now, coronavirus don't kill many people. Their house is empty. When there was no coronavirus, everywhere like this, everywhere go full. That one a caravan. People come from Norway, come from Britain with their caravan. You just they live in life. Yeah, all here they fool where they see. So all here they fool. They come here to relax themselves. What did they laugh? All in the name of money. You are only talking about yourself. Talk about that people also. The very day you start talking about that people, then they need to show that you are not serving God. The very day you start talking about the well-being of the society, is what we need. Other states are emulating the educational system of Edo State. Other states are emulating infrastructural development in Edo State. Osiomo power plant. Other states want to start it right now. A man that came and searched out and reasoned, waiting out for you guys to do. He meet up with friends abroad. What can I do with? We have a natural resources like this. He convert right now gas to give us life. Now we cannot go for solar. Let's use what we have. Let's use what we have. If other European countries have half of what Edo State has, do you think it's easy to build an economy? It's not easy to build a country. Without leader not get sense. He not fit do anything. I'm even looking at that Edo State is too small for Basel to govern. It's too small. Somebody that has to be in Asoro who has something on his head. We want somebody that can manage the state. We want somebody like this that can manage the state, who have the capacity. Not who believe in sharing money. Not be who get fans part they take the govern. You feel get fans part they win, but did you have the idea? You that you are regretting what you said 2 years ago here. Say you are not getting mature. As at your age, some people are fading life. As at your age, maybe you are 40 something. What you now say at the age of 50, who wait when you they mature, and when they say life start at 40. Poor no wa, Owadi. Oswo Bungbe Wagona, my brother. Oswo. As you are watching Osabwa Gwelo Oswo Reveni Jesu. Oswo Bungbe Wagona. Imagine what I said last year now. I can't say as I they grow. Salobamela oh ezu oni. Ezu wani. So me una carry una matamu na put on for one corner. And people are not ready to learn the real politics. And we are hearing it already. Thank God for one of our brothers who is operating the platform right now. Oh man, we meet him because you cannot live my life, I cannot live your own. So if you are progressing, my dear, I will announce you. I will join you in your prayer. Common video, men are sending go. Must be thank you, yo. The same video may I send there. That's why I've stopped even sharing my video to any groups. I removed myself from every group I belonged to before. Apart from one man who is in UK. A group of Baye. And he knows the reason why I leave myself there, because he have respected himself. I found out that a lot of people, they don't need truth. If you are a truth teller, you are a threat to them. At the time you are a truth teller, you are a threat to some people. That's why you must not be in their midst. I disconnected myself from a lot of things. What better that person will come in tomorrow? Mo can't go get do this thing. I'm here doing it on my own. You do it on your own. It is when I see you, you always speak on the media. I see what you always talked about. We draw me closer to you. Where are they from nowhere, my brother? May you care with anybody? May you care with anybody? They are not serious. If Oba say he can just continue, if it is possible, no one will do what so that make peace day. You guys, you need the money. At the end of the day, what do you use this for? You got so many American spec in your man. I think the motor no worth 5,000 man. You know, if you are living in Europe here, where you can't dim when why you can watch. Most of us here, bro, ask them. It's of you me or you can. Yeah, man, it's time motor, yeah, man. You do not say Jan easy. You not say Jan easy. How many people even get push and start? For your area, you did Jan there. Nema, maybe in a state, in a full state, there's a 10 on here motor. A full state of about, let's say, 10,000 blacks. Do you think it's easy? We don't package, run, come house, come work, come plate here. They phone fan, but in order to 1,000 naira, 1,000 euro where they pocket. Let them show you where they work. Let them show you their income, how much they are receiving. Then every one of us, we are just managing our life. At least make the country go forward. You people have eaten a lot now. If what Obaseki have done today, now then it has been like that right from time. Look at Oyegu today. Oyegu was one first Edo State governor. The same international chairman, the man is very calm. The man is very calm. I guess Oyegu today, he will be happy that what he couldn't do, Obaseki is doing it. Oyegu, I guess, in my own heart, I'm convinced that I should be praying for Obaseki. Because if Oyegu not pray for Obaseki, me Obaseki succeed. If he be say God will come go punish the enemy, because the mistakes he made before, he have to see amend it. The man is very calm. He never used his national whatever. If everybody as this man is putting himself as a demigod today, not be only you want Pharaoh, then look, if they don't should also fall out. Or maybe all of them come to do Godfather. But the mistakes all of them they all made, somebody will come. That's why in activism, as one segue. There are people right now, when you come activism, and where then they go, I know they go on. Because I don't know. How will I go? That is just a fact. Somebody no pass you. No need of pretense. School will go past you. Accept it. Accept the defeat. Then I shall not go come. Me, they talk my own. There are a lot of things, even you yourself that is watching me right now. There are so many things you can do. I come ready to I cannot do it. So everybody is differently different and uniquely unique. Your calling and my own not be the same. There are people right now, then they talk, their English. Where are supposed to day, now is the day. Apart trophy is the day we are supposed to day. My own may not get full stop. That is my own, but the most important thing, what I'm saying is viable. That's it. We are, instead of complaining of each other, our team will learn to appreciate each other. Check it today. Until when I saw the video, John Odige Oyegu did, that he say anywhere he goes, what they say about Obaseki. When Odige Oyegu was a governor, you yourself that is forming godfather today, I have a question where campaign again because we were one day. Who were one day again, for example. Then you came and you become a different thing entirely. How will you be detecting why one say we have a dose state here? Now you can't pass everybody. Do you know how many people that are sitting down who is far better than you, richer than you, even do gaga pass you? We not get a cancan for a dose state. We not get a Christian for a dose state. As beauty say now all these courts want to encourage all these small boys that they kill themselves. Now let them be caught with it. They are big men caught. Illuminati, not that they not be person, be chairman for there. Why must we use what we because so many things are happening? Like me now, I've choose to pass a part of causing hygiene. I have my group already. It's a group, no, a group of hygiene. IICP is not for hygiene. It's not for hygiene. So also you have your own. On a don't wait to the world with laziness, no skills, no accusation of skills, to the world by dancing cultural, to the world that you cannot present a speech, to the world you don't have a manufacturing company, even though not even soda, to the world. Are you people kidding me? Well, I'll make una put people for granted. Una life they contaminate people's life. You guys are not helping anything. Somebody go just jando wa rowa umemi ropanu rather than to parabolate ba or ma go wa wetin jealousy here. Then what are you teaching the next generation? Not even the future generation. There's difference between future generation and the next generation. What are you teaching the next generation? And what legacy are you leaving behind? Then you are telling the youth that is coming, you can do fine but in other people's detriment. That's what you are telling them. Look at this lady mechanic. First lady mechanic in Nigeria. A lady stood out and said, okay, I must make difference. But when me and okay, now all we do, me and not just go that side because why a lot of people do not really comprehend at times when you try to relate them to some kind of things. Person way taught true for society. That person don't do bad. You cannot just be in abroad. You are in abroad for 20 years or whatever. You have no skill. You have learned. That was a nuisance with him. That is a clear example of failure. No matter how your father will be rich. We have rich men children here. They work. They work. They work. Disgraced moral. For those of you that live in Oriwela Musia, you know disgraced moral. Era what we say disgraced ane. Wa me boy na. All you go he go still follow you price something. If one go bypass at time, por favor, 200 euros. Always say não comprar, you não vende. You não vende. 150 não vende. Ni menos 5 euros you não vai vender. He say 5 euros come for 200, you know they say, but that guy is strictly rich. He's strictly rich. He go they say something for you. Who rich person for those state no day. Before we get any money, we gavalante here and there. Then what are you to cheat in other people? Then you said you are a leader, you put yourself in the forefront. What are you teaching the people? For you to come abroad, then you go home empty-handed. I think that's the most greatest failure anybody can ever be in life. You might have made money, but you should have skills that makes you go home. You want to go and invest on this thing. You want to teach your people about it. What are you teaching them? What are you teaching these people? How to gavalante here and there and do fanboy here and there? Then what? Okay, who is mentoring our children today that are killing themselves? I will call them children because right now there was one video the other day. There is a video. I cannot be able to show it outside. Or maybe if I'm going to do that program, we're going to be talking on that strictly, you know. There is a video I saw the other day. How one small boy was killed. I think that boy should be 14, 15 years. Now, who are those people looking onto? Please invite your friend. I want to give us a revelation here. Who are those people looking onto? Right now, I am a role model to some people. By the grace of God, I am a role model to some people. There are people today which that feel they talk like this person now. Patrick Etienne Lumumba is a role model to me. He's a role because anytime he makes speech, that is, I know to the get time like that. If I can create 24 hours of the day watching his speech, I'm very happy. Also today, without my video, some people know they feel they sleep. He's a role model to me. I'm a role model to somebody. Now, somebody that you are a role model to, what are they copying from you? Laziness. Is that what you're going to come and teach them in our society? Or you are teaching them that you can work with your hands? So, for a society to go forward, every hand must be on desk. We are seeing the state government right now show example. that no governor of Edo State ever think about Edo State being autonomous in terms of light. All will depend on his NEPA. And right now we are grief. We are angry. Who is he to come and complete this very thing? Let me push him out so that I will be the one that is going to be celebrated. Now I am here what Basaki man win. Osadebe Avenue will be empty in the mighty name of Jesus. Now I am here what man win. That Osadebe Avenue will kill or the Killer Avenue. We will never see any governor in Edo State. That's the word that's going to happen. Because God is against it. God is against it, and you people are trying to put a lot of people into bondage. Why fighting? Why the fight? Why the fight? The governor have come out. Now things must change. It must not have to be as usual when Okawaye there, you know. No, things must change. When I enter this this thing, things change. Then nobody can do any caption. Nobody can quote any Bible. When I came, I began to quote Bible. It was even a problem because I would meet some witches and wizards. They were not comfortable. I tried to change it, but I later left. But today, I have my own thing I'm doing. People enjoy. What people enjoy was what people criticize at times. At the time you see that people, some people are over humiliating some group of people, know that that person is doing well. The same thing happened to Jesus. Then the man I bring up, he goes to school. That's why he's doing it. He have a gene in his life. That's why today he wants light to come. Then what else are we looking for? What else are we looking for? He come to a time the life of Habakkuk. Habakkuk was always complaining. God, my city is not good. God, my killers are everywhere. God, I have no food to eat. God, I have no dust to do. God told Habakkuk, write the vision. Write it down. Write it. Pick up a Bible and pen. Write it down. Then Habakkuk said, yes, my Lord, I will write it. Take your Bible there if you are there. Let's go to a biblical class here. Habakkuk 2 verse 2. He said, write the vision and make it play. Then whosoever that read it will run with. Whosoever that read it will marvel. So this is what you have in your mind that you want God to do for you. He said, whosoever that read it will run with it. They will marvel and say, your vision is great. There is something we must have to do about it. He said, although the vision is for an appointed time, although it may tarry or but Mudiako come to pass. A man came. He was there before. The reason why Moses was able to cause solution to the children of Israel that was suffering in Egypt, who were in captivity for so many years, is because he grew there in the palace. He grew there in the palace, but he never partake in what the evil thing Pharaoh was doing. That was why Moses could be able to liberate the children of Israel out of Egypt to the promised land that God had promised unto their fathers. So Obaseki will pass of the administration. He know where the lapses is. He know when I come, what we are not here before, I should be able to put it. A good father, my father do always pray for all the children. My son will be greater than me. You will go places I couldn't go. But not a distant time, I see it come to pass. That way, when I was living March 15, precisely 2003, my father prayed for me. He said, my son, go in Logo. He prayed for me and he breathed onto my hand. Today I see it works. That's why I'm not afraid of anybody who can kill the body that cannot kill the soul. Because when we have a woo. I'm here to tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. If I'm telling you, I'm accusing you with the word of God. I'm accusing you with the word of God. Come and combat it. That what I'm telling you is bad. Somebody that stay with you, you know where mistakes is. You try to fix it, then why are you hungry? You are not supposed to be hungry. If you are hungry, that's you are a bad person. It's the duty of everybody. Right now, if anybody comes tomorrow, can you think, I want even my member to be bigger than me. It does not mean anything. It does not mean anything. If my mind is good, we are chasing towards the same dream. If what you stand for is for a better society, and what you are having a mind to do, maybe the person is doing it in a wrong manner, tell him. My brother, this like to know Amure now. Amateo no lago did the tower door. Carry and come at those states. Then none of you is giving instruction. All you know, he must live there. Salobo can kill, Salobo can save. If coronavirus came, most of you were not doing gym. What that thing bigger than coronavirus go here? Not be that one fake one they do for Nigeria there. Better one go recon. That none of you will be exempted. Our God can save. And we are going to keep on provoking heaven. It's just that it pains me more that the Bible that be used, that be bastardized for with all manner of evils. Things that are supposed to be there in the Bible are no longer there. Oh, see you, man, you were going. If you were during the time of Moses, God of heaven, Elijah what he ran recently. Who do anyhow go see anyhow? But I don't know today what's our problem. For example, now somebody is driving the same way, the same kilometer I'm driving, you know how to drive. And my dear, so far we'll get to the journey. There's nothing bad about that. Okay, what do you want to bring? You want to, from here, is it not the same project people you go to bring? Is it not the same project? If for example, it's like, make you finish your own. Osadebe Avenue will be free by 2024. But it's not free for the now. Somebody is there. So as you are chasing somebody, you want to use spiritual things to chase that the person. You want to use physical strength to take out the person. God will also be chasing you. God will also be chasing you. Because I don't know what we are trying to do. Must you now become something? And the more you feel you are becoming something by force, the more you are killing even your own career. Okay, look at the children you are going to put at risk. You can no longer carry AK-47 by yourself. You people have grown up boys. You did not grow up boys to become engineer. You did not grow up boys, okay, boy no grow up in it. They can tarot, the government is not giving to them. Then why you are blaming the government? Why must you be blaming the government? This same stakeholder, that's why things have been there. The man choose to use different kind of measure to make sure the state go forward. Give contract to people who have the capacity of making the dream come true. You go now, your boss can say, I know. Your boss can say, the car will even drive here, person will still see you, see the toilet for you. For Nigeria, nobody will call them pure water. But to us here, you know, for you to save, you'll save salary for 6 months to take buy one car. It's not even new one. People where your pastor they criticize say they be gay or carry fear. So imoto name also there. Aka mufuane odo ya dollar. You have to fix it together. You got think it's easy. Then you even have to eat. You say you're not going to fund your 2 months, your 2 sides of man they throw away. That's the problem you guys have right now. Even the people that where there's war today, look at where most of them pass go to Europe. This will not be still the normal place where I felt they go. This is just a different place entirely. You can see the sea is so rough now. Imagine for you to be in this kind of water for 14 good hours. So person can't say rugged pass you. Your person will be get mine to enter this one. Imagine you saw it. The higher confront in the world is for you to pass enter sea where not get security. Where not get life assurance. You go enter, you say you they come down. That's the most risky thing anybody can take. But here we are today, we have billions in our account, we have thousands in our account. Let the state go forward. We are not doing what we are doing because we needed money from the government. We are doing it because of the love we have for our people. If the very day we start having our dream in our society, then the pressure here we face Europe, or we do it less. The kind of mind that those people have, they always want to give, they always want to give, they always want to give. Check it out today. Now let those people don't give person, or you renovate to what? You know, or the same though. The same man is the name go, they don't feel come mass, come enjoy. On your dream way. Security not there. Look at what the data people are doing right now. At least those ones should be part of the thing. Anybody, everybody should be emulating. Let me the government empower us like this. We cannot just watch our people die. They prefer me those they perish, make their party remain. Make their party remain. How would that be? You can see this is as rough as any other thing. This is as rough as any other thing. This is as rough as any other thing. You see, the Mediterranean Sea. You see, it's as rough as any other thing. Blowing whistle. See to it. See to it. How many of you for that Benin where they do a good way today? Where fear go let down enter inside this water. You just they go. You don't know where you for one land. At the end of the day, spend 14 hours. How many of you? I guess nobody want to do it. But right now, God has helped us a little. God has helped you a little. Whatever thing you've been able to acquire, manage it. Manage it because there are still more than 4 million people in Edo State that you are far better than. You guys are still better than people that is in abroad. You guys are better than them. Do you know what it takes right now to build up a paper from 1 year? You pay almost about 600 to 8 euro for a monthly task. Imagine somebody where they jump now, you never get paper. But you now, nobody they arise you. Anything, they even see you see guns, say commissioner of police now, just one call, it go free you. Then we don't have such privilege here. Then what did you need? Make the society still good so that we all will physically come home. We liaise together. We are one. We are one. For those of us that were not sold into slavery, Most of the black Americans today, they don't even know where they are from. That's why they are passing through what they are passing through. Should I go and pass through now what George is passing through? Maybe he was born there in America. He is a black American. But that color is still there. The offense he has committed right now, George Floyd, is his color. Imagine somebody deliberately being killed. Deliberately. If you're just going to shoot and better pass. That is small. Or said the guy was begging. Please, I'm no longer breathing. Please, I'm not breathing. He's not here. He stood on top of the man as if he was a Terminator. You know, you can see that the world is so wicked. Why is it like that? Nigeria is the giant of Africa. The very day Ajim begin to enter Nigeria, the respect of black race will continue to go forward. Look at Paul Kagame of Rwanda. Rwanda today is no longer the Rwanda of yesterday. Rwanda today right now is now a tourist country. It now attracts tourism. It attracts now tourism. You know, Rwanda today. Look at Tanzania also, under the administration of Paul Magufuli. You know, Magufuli said, oh, it's only a madman that will take loan from the Chinese. That's what he said. Those people, they don't get time. We can have such a leader like that. This same Tanzania president, John Pombe Magufuli, was doing an usher in this church, collecting offering from people. This just is normal life. It's not the form. Look at Paul Kagame. All their thing is doing well. The development of Nigeria can start from Edo State. So you standing that Edo State will not go forward, you are holding the whole Nigerian captive. Because someone must have to learn from you. A development must start from a place. Right now, light is in Nigeria, light is in Edo State. Other people cannot have that. Others say they have no gas. We can also as well sell gas for them to put their own. By so doing, we'll still get money from there. We are saying Nigeria don't go, Nigeria don't go. Do you know people today? There are areas in Abuja. Honorable man cannot stay there. It's made for ministers who are multi-billionaires. There are areas in Lagos. Me, I'll go buy a house for them. Where I want to see the money. Except say God bless me. Where you be talking, we are talking about 100 billion to just to buy a house. To secure an apartment there. All those are money. You know, if we must go forward, the development must start from. That's why in life, you have a family that's okay. Maybe the senior one fair go school. Because if the senior one don't see finish, he don't see the try, then you go come see help for that one. Now so it be. Nigeria is the heartbeat of the nation. Nigeria is the giant of Africa. Sorry, giant of Africa. Why I don't say the heartbeat of the nation? Giant of Africa is not moving forward. The heartbeat of the nation is not moving forward. Those they can trigger the whole Nigeria. Just the way, look at Sanwo-Olu, the governor of Lagos State. He confessed it. GDP of Lagos, population of Lagos, I argue already, or where they are adapting Obaseki system of administration. In terms of infrastructure right now, in education and all of that area, that he applied for Obaseki. A governor. Lagos State is bigger than most European countries. Lagos State population and Belgium, Holland, should mean the same thing. Lagos State is twice population of Switzerland. Because what is wrong with most of us at times, we don't do research. Rather than, you are be there, you are not learning anything. The social media, they become doomed. None of them get sense again. I don't have the appetite of blocking somebody because in life, there are a lot of things you just allow to happen. You know, you can say whatever thing that you want to say. Now you know. Whether 4 + 4 die, if they are alive, I mean, there you are. So no me figure me. So wherever place you are, maybe your life now. No, you must not life you have a mass of woman. You must not do myself. Either way, you struggle or you are on. Me, I not mention because a lot of people they do. You know. So that's that. So development must start from somewhere. Development must start from somewhere. So at the time your senior one enter jam, you constantly carry the other one. You constantly carry the other one. Maybe the 4th one say, okay, you know one just see come jam. Now go gather and open shop for them. Now so country still be. That's why local government right now, 18 local government in Edo State, any development will start from there. The 17 other ones, they'll see adapt that same system to do waiting to bring that the development. So I'm urging all Nigerians, all Nigerian citizens, please support Governor Obaseki. Because if we have light right now in Edo State, you have something to tell your governor tomorrow. Why do we don't have light? If we have light today now, imagine somebody breaking record, 36 states in Nigeria, standing out, I want to give my people light. Or my very who warm and down. Such person should be appreciated for him to even be able to defend the demander. This is what other government are stealing, but they choose to manage it for the state. It might have no government way money, no, maybe at times you say na money to do this thing, you can't go finance, okay, 100,000, that one a normal thing. But no empowering individual. The money you would have used to empower individual, empower the economy, empower the system. That's what we are talking about. There are governors that just come to empower some group of people. Even we are talking right now, when Osomole Day, money they flow for street, he reached my hand, he reached my brother's hand. My brother is a graduate. They cannot tebese. Was it not the same money right now, 25,000, you go teach finish. Student where you teach, get scholarship. Our best physics student. But he where they teach person, but is it not the country? Not the country. You don't blame anybody. If you talk about chest, you get chest. Okay, where you want from country say he learn a big wage from. If papa no carry gun, mama no carry gun. Where is he going to say he get it from? Wasting upon the law. Make everything good and everybody there, you know. But for somebody to just stand up and say it must be you all the time, it must be you all the time. Hell no. Let the government take care of everybody. Government is being brought out from one political party, but at the end of the day, the service is supposed to affect everybody in the state. At the time you are bringing up a governor to come and service you, Edo people just think. Don't mind all those roaches who came out on social media to cast speaking all manner of nonsense, who cannot prove it to anybody what they can do. I want every activist, come, let's challenge ourselves, bring out what you can do online. We're women power online. We're women power online. If you make a page, then you might load the area, I will load down, so don't just become an activist to talk. No. How can you just do it with them? Before you remove stone from your mate, I first go remove your own first. If I drag position with people, I will not be talking about you oppressing anybody. We give lectures. Come and give your lecture. Say it under normal condition. Then 365 days in a year, now government, why you insult. I've never seen in my life before. In a one governor matter. Nearly everybody. What has this man done? Who was Swiss yao? Won't you go around that? Now so that one fool himself one day two like that, have it doggone. Imagine road where they don't put quota or where they tie or they don't the asphalt. You went there, you start saying no, say now or 1 week quota. He would have removed all. Do you know what it's going to take to remove all? You can excavate it. You excavate and put another one on top. First of all, put a liquid quota first. Then at the end of the day, now shame me take go house. I came out on media and I combated it. My brother, what you don't know it. Must you talk? Well, everything the state government is man. Now trace where you so everybody have it. You don't just come that you are Mr. Best. No. Everything the government does, you must see complain. Everything it does. When you pay salary, none of you have ever wanted to talk that one. Obaseki, the 30,000 minimum wage that the federal government signed. Obaseki has to pay. How many personnel they fought they die now? Those days with the year for Jan, say when somebody will just call say, my pa want to collect person, all of them get their alert now. So if your father was one first person, yeah, and now Obaseki government now can't do and say you know they hold them again. Man, you have to support this government. You support or not support, sir. God, waiting God get for man, they must do one. If I one thing that pains me more that people don't know say God the key. Osalobo agbe Pharaoh now. Now God na keep Pharaoh. How God take keep Pharaoh? He bring out the stubbornness in him. Let my people go. After all said and done, God show and signs and wonder, let them go. After all, he still run them. He don't follow them. You know, you guys, you must keep on. You must keep on being under my custody. You know. So life does not work like that. So let's be very, very careful and mind the way you. If you must speak about what is happening right now in Edo State, be ready to say the truth. Don't go and be saying it because say your friend they support this person. Okay, let's talk about politics in 99. The people that were, if you look at Oyegu today right now, thank God say the man they take care of himself. The head governor of Edo State. If you look at Oyegu today right now, he they take care of himself. The man that is still very gentle, he not get to head. Do you know that man right now is going to be regret? He might have prayed for forgiveness of sins. I have opportunity to serve this state and not do one. God, can you give me second chance again? But there's no second chance. The second chance he has right now is to help whatever good government, not bullying them, call them at times, hold secret meeting with them, tell them what they can do. He wants to have the experience. Look at the man is not, Oyegu is not even a man of many words, you know. He came out the other day, just spoke about 2 minutes some things in my page there. You can go and watch what he said. That's how a man should behave. He's not power drunk. It was Oyegu they remove where they put Oshomole there. But Oyegu not shoot gun for sky. Now na get everything. Now na get lawyer, now na get soldier. And this life, not just one. What name are you even living down for your children? Do you think people will see your children abroad tomorrow, they will toilet for them? The way they will toilet for Bemu their children? Or the way they will toilet for Ali children? No, nobody does that. Name, now we they live for granted. Name and integrity, very important. Look at the integrity they are living. You know, as you are growing, you'll be maturing. As you are growing. What you said 5 years ago, here you have 50-something years. So you never see mature at the age of it. It's a very painful thing. That's how God fools some people. They will allow them. As Obaseki don't talk rich, that man never master in one day. His word is accurate. He said he deserved the second term. Rarely he deserved it. You cannot just, he's not a coward now. You just tell and say you just serve and then you go, they run, they go. Please, if you are led by the Spirit, write the time I spent there. Thank you. Just kindly write the time I spent there. Let me just write the time I spent there. Thank you very much. So if you have anything to do to tell the state government, not be insult, you must not have to be an activist with insult. Advise the government. You feel cause government today. Tomorrow, bring out solution what you they cause for. It's permitted. Then now become a constructive criticism. Any plus there? Please, if plus there, help me put on. We have did a lot of ISCP have done a lot of lectures on how good environment look like, sowing and reaping. We are no one a revision make you ni mai katarero. No one have not said like this Hebrew 13 verse 1. Let brotherly love continue. You go ask the person, okay, why we want to continue brotherly love? Is it after driving me away from the office? They say they want to collect back their mandate or whatever you people have said. People don't already put time for archive. You so say you and as I'm talking now, people are watching. People are saving all this world. Anyone where they out of criminality inside, on a very good, I'll still rip them, you know. Okay, 1 hour, 10 minutes. Okay. In 10 minutes time, I will be rounding up. Now, me will come by myself to start that one. Thank you very much. Whatever thing we are doing today, we are doing it for the benefit of everybody, not for only ourselves alone. We are talking about future generation. That's the kind of life we want to live now. And we are not going to be living a life. Somebody will just make hand they go, make name for Egbeweja, make name for money. Well, we're not voting, we're not a security man cover away. Look how people are dying. Our children right now, all of them, they are not cultists. They have no option. Even the people that we even expected that they had, they'll see the at least children and something. Ah, my dear, if I can do this, what you can also do. Nobody. All we do, fine boy for street. All these fine boys should be arrested. These are what is energizing all these boys from even doing anything. Any person that sees me in Nigeria, you want to go and learn handwork because you are going to see me with all manner of things you never expected. In 2015 ending through 2016, I visited the mechanic workshop. Getting there, when he saw me with some tools, he was amazed and flabbergasted. He said, Chairman, I can't ask the guy, say, where's your jack? He said, no get jack. Okay, you want work for motor, you don't get jack. He said, Chairman, those one not me, no. Any customer will not bring his jack, come. And he go, and I say, okay, now, not be, he gets some people right now, where they are jack there for their motor, they never touch them once. You are supposed to have your personal jack. We be say, man, that jack we be say you use until the jack. We will feel enter motor. You don't even be this one will not even be available for you. You know, you get the height where this one fit carry and reach. After advising the guy, he shake my say, chairman, na real advice you give me. I go gather money. When I was to pay the guy, I double his money times 2. Find money, Jonathan go buy. He saw me with other whisper now again. Now say you cannot afford this. He said, chairman, how much for you? Now I say na 30 euro now be. He said for whisper now I say yes. I not feel like to you, you know, because now adjustable something. I dey like all those kind of things, you know. So all those are the things. So there are things we need to go on. If you're talking about industrialization, not be only government go do it. We all have our own role to play. If you want to open salon, open and let it be mega. People cannot open salon right now because they are afraid. They are afraid. We know that by the grace of God, Obaseki second tenure, all these whole loans you are seeing, it's going to be bye-bye. And now we're merely telling you why you're getting because you have to change by force. That's why we are urging our mothers, we are urging our father, question your children. Imagine that small boy that was killed in a cold blood. Dream is gone. Dream was killed. Dream was killed. Let's assume now. Do you know the concussion? Let's talk about our sisters that are taking IVF today. Is it not IVF that they call her? I don't know if I'm correct. Whether an IVF now they call her. Whether for they carry this thing, put for woman body. You know. Now after suffering this thing, then somebody will come go use gun, kill your pikin like that. Seeing the pains you went through. How will you feel? Don't say no concern me. Don't say no concern me. That's why we are getting it wrong. Let nobody ever say it no concern me. Nah, no. Think it to your children. May God not let bad thing happen. Enemy. The book of Matthew chapter 10. Matthew chapter 10. If this is go 1 hour 30 minutes, no problem. We are still very in time. Matthew chapter 10. If you read verse 25. Write it down, Matthew chapter 10, verse 25. He said, after the people might have left a sower, if you read down from maybe that chapter 10, maybe from verse 20, you'll see where the Bible wrote that. It says, sower went to the field to go and sow seed. After he left, the enemy came and sowed tares among the wheat. Also, when your father gave birth to you, or when your mother gave birth to you, there was a bird like you. Then your one old woman came and breathed another life into you. That's why today we receive some prophetic declarations. As you are watching it, we get to your children, so that who can be a monozoa, you will never give birth to cultists. But people do not know the importance of IRCP. We are not just ordinary social media presenter. That's why if you find out, my picture is not always among people if they are bringing out social media presenter, because my own is on day different. And now let God go fit to find out. The enemy came and saw tares among the way. Do you know what later the servant of the master, he came and said, sir, was it not good seed we planted? How come about the tares? Let me do tares according to my own definition to get you clear as an audience, you know. Tares can be called Bahama grass among rice. Let me use that word tares. It can be called Bahama grass or Eriri or Yegweyoto Jereba. One thing that make me marvel about this very sower, he knew the crop he planted. This sower knew the crops he plants. He knew about it. Then the father called him, sir, was it not this wheat we planted, that rice? How come, or flour we planted? How come about this taste? How come about this other? He said the enemy might have done this. How he didn't know? Because he know right from time, salt grass have never wanted to grow among his crops. He knows that salt grass have never wanted to grow. What did he say? He said, leave it. If we clear it right now, if we decide to clear the tares right now, we will clear it and clear our crops along with it. That's why there are a lot of problems you are allowed to germinate. Why there are some. When it comes to the time to harvest it, you harvest it once and for all. That's why it's time for us to speak truth to power, and we must speak it irrespective. Come in the night. We continue the activism. We are no longer afraid of the devices of the enemy by now. Because that night, we are feel maybe feel now. Anything no you met the blood of Jesus in a way your for even when we are raining or again we so you know how many times you have come, you know that it have not been very easy. If I thought you happen to penetrate a territory where you are going to get bruises. You are never one day come the same way you came. You must have problem. Either you are having constant headache in the next those one. The person I'm talking to know what I'm talking about. Though that was how the whole scenario happens. He said, let them grow. He said that I will tell the reaper, the person that go to harvest it. He said, he will gather the wheat, put it, put it in my band, and the taste having done it, bundle it and put it inside the fire. That's what a lot of us are going through today. After suffering, that's why whatever thing you do to help other people's children, you are at the same time helping your own. That's why a lot of people did not understand. That's why the palliative we shared yesterday, I do tell my member, if you are on Webe Lagoda, it's not about you. The platform of IARCP will be based on joy, J-O-Y, joy. For your joy to be full, it has to be Jesus orders you. Jesus first orders you. That's why in anything we are doing, I'm always the last. I think I was supposed to be paid by the federal government of Nigeria of bringing such messages at times to social media. I'm not boasting of the academics, but I'm talking about the words of wisdom. How we combine sentences and present it to you. If you choose to live accordingly to what we are saying here by the grace, because everything is in the Bible. Yes, everything is in the Bible. Even our tradition, part of them is in the Bible. Is in the Bible. In the book of Exodus. In the book of Exodus 20 verse 13. So it said, many people were there when they were writing this Bible. Having forefathers, man, they were there. They were there in the human civilization. Black race were supposed to be a credo of modern development. The black race, but reverse is the case. This IVF today now, do you know IVF now they call them? IVF man at Denny, but today now, we push everything aside. This is what some of us, some of our mothers, some of our fathers, this was how they gave birth to us. But because civilization now, we are putting away everything. Nobody wants to tell the truth. Majority win this vote. Before mention the person name where they follow now. Use this pastor name, take go embassy, whether they'll give you visa. But yeah, the American embassy. You have a embassy now, I'll stamp everywhere. If your report can be stamped back, I'm who level, you know. So what am I trying to buttress here is this. Let man what we do. Let man what we do. Let's change our behavior to good. Because what we are going to leave behind the name. At the time, any man that lost his integrity, that person is like a wagon without an engine. You lost your integrity. What are you leaving down for your children? That it come to a time, my father was the one that was causing tension in Edo State. A time is going to come, people may not ask you now. What you cannot pay for now, your children may pay for it because this tension, people are seeing it. We are watching. We are watching how you big guys is trying to, bring tension. People start losing their lives. Our children, they are killing themselves. How many of you today right now will gather? We have a lot of chieftains in Edo State. Let's come to a round table and see how we cause a lasting solution. Okay, right now, courtesan, Area Kaye, make an announcement. Call all the number 1 man or number 2 man. Call them. Let them, because what I fed right now, man, they cut this place out for people to see. Now, Curtis, now go fix stop Curtis for Benin. How they go to, now they will see if stop the killer, how they go to stop it. There are responsible ones inside who does not do this. This automatically enter the streets. The street hold-ons. Some boys who want to do bad. Now you jack this thing. A lot of greedy men go to blend them. So automatically those ones constantly go form another gang. They give them orientation. Then they execute their plans. What they do now, the responsible ones inside, who are in the office, hold a meeting, collect this thing from the street, put them for inside house. Collect the rights they have from the street. Any of these boys you just see, send up your invest. If the government want to even empower them, let them empower them and don't bloody care. Let them empower them with transportation. They are the one to stop this thing. They know how to stop it. They know how to stop it. For example, right now, any person hijack my activism, I'll go and meet the person, please, this is not the way I used to do it. Or I put somebody in my platform. You say you are talking about me, and I'll call you my brother, this thing, don't do it again. This is not a part of it. So being that Wanikabe River, our chieftains, some of you are there, I know. It's not the plans you are not going for the key. Mona call those children. Imagine that the one that happened in Lagos, you know. Look at that small boy. How would that small boy be the same color you belong to? It should be a shame on your part, you know. If now someone leave the court for them, these small children, Mona cancel and down, go join Hare Krishna or Ekankan. All those are big boys courts. Hare Krishna is there. If you must even join court, Ekankan is there. Church of God Mission is there. So all those are courts, secret court here, all the church. In a year, will determine. But the court today, the Christian community, which is also a court, or organization or whatever, is being done to preach the gospel. There you still see people today who are using human hairs for sacrifice. Who are using human hairs for sacrifice. I'm on time. Let me take it up to about maybe 1:30 or something. So every one of us, we need to bring out a proactive measures to see how we can get a lasting solution. We are talking about a lasting solution. Not be solution for one day, a lasting solution. Meet all these boys, all those upper, I think they are more there in upper, you know. When I don't enter the fine boy those days, you know, if you are going to go from school, carry your Luther jet from school, mobilize yourself, collect this thing from them. Today, we don't want to see you identify yourself as so and so person like this. They are bringing bad name to this thing. We are not going to let the international community constantly label on a terrorist group. If you were to be in America, automatically you become a terrorist group. That's why in a terrorist group they can't for Europe here. That's why they cannot gather here. If you know you have ever registered any court group, come and tell me, say they give you the license. They will not give you such license. Any of your gatherings is illegal. Any of your gatherings is illegal. But we can gather and do birthday. You cannot gather in the name of certain color. Who do one? Now people not spoiler. This was something that would have bound us together. That would have bound us together here in Europe, because we will still get voice, you know. So automatically people have hijacked it. They used to do all manner of things. In Madrid those days, a lot of people went to jail. The people that go to jail, go and ask them. I know a lot of people will say not before only 5 years. 5 years you go spend for jail, you just because of courtesy. Because of you know how to beat person and you fight the person. What does that have to do with your life? But the apostle said, when I was a child, I talk like a child, and I eat like a child, I think like a child. Rather than I become an adult, I have to put away childish things. Whatever thing you are doing, you find out that this thing is no longer how it used to be. What you do, disconnect yourself from it. This is a very woody thing I belonged to before. When I found out that the modality there is now becoming so unbearable, yeah, they are not practicing human, you know, I was never a part of it. You know. How will I not become being a group now? If you can come out and swear for somebody who will give village people like that, what are the one you doing tonight? Then I sat down, I have to sit back and begin to reason. No, I did not belong here. That's it. If you find out that they must not have to count you, but I'm one of the people who lifted up this thing, what I still put down there today is still there. It's still there. You know? It's still there. I left good messages there. But ever since then, what is still happening today? That's why any bad comment you see on my platform today, they are the same people because they are too archaic. Because who? Like leader, like followers. Their leader be mumu, so they must be mumu. They never want to learn anything. That's the problem. How can you said what you have is to free people. Is to free people. You want to give people freedom. The same you gather to do. I just look at it and say no. A lot of them today, they are still tied to it. A woman that have children, they are there. I see some people at times, I look from distance and say, oh no, may God break that chain. If you know where we are, how would that be? You know, something that was created abroad became true tradition. I someone will drag. You just bring out, you mention the. I still have the video up to today. You mention the person's name and I say no. Not even knowing where this thing is going to be done to me one day. So whatever thing you are supporting people doing today, on a very good day, what you support them to do to other people, on a very good day, that's what they are going to do to you. There are no two ways about it. You may not want to listen because it be mumu every hour way when that president when a bad comment in it because of your stupid leader. I'm aware. Where man, go and think it. Go and reason your life. If you can move where are you? Arwao or when on my way Varwa ma wode. When we came one, unwe we bogbe. I tell now our son physical getting you. No talk about it now. I pray one day somebody will come out on media and confess all their evil acts, you know. So what am I trying to buttress here is this. Please, let's try. Whatever thing you are doing, then it's no longer how you plan it. Desist away from me. You go no gain a killing. The very day you kill, you are finished. Do you know how Paul the Apostle died? Despite Paul the Apostle, don't get it twisted. Despite Paul the Apostle, he worked for God. He proclaimed the gospel of Christ. He promulgated it up to Jerusalem and Judea, up to Samaria. But he died mysteriously. All the apostles of Jesus, all disciples of them died mysteriously. I will be talking about it on a very good day. They all died. Some of them were turned up, their head were turned upside down. They hung them upon how they do it. So whatsoever you sow, it don't mean say you don't kill now, you will still repent. No, so don't let it be a covenant you do. Don't let anybody begin to deceive you. So if you must have to be a role model, be a good role model. Because people want to be like you. Can we have this kind of people in our society? I don't make mention of before where at the middle of this video about Professor Etienne Lumumba, Patrick Lumumba. You know, I made mention of it. If I want to talk about any role model, he's my role model. I look onto to be like him in speech, but not what he has in spirit. In speech, but people also the same way people are looking to be like you. There are people that want to steal the way you steal. They want to become a stealer. There are people that want to talk the way you talk. They want to become an orator. There are people who want to also swear the way you swear because you are quotable. That's why a lot of people today right now, if they find out that they are here, our major day, they will just embrace them. Imagine somebody that have the mind of witchcraft before, or what do they by evil movement. Man, what do you go to expect? Where I became too afraid that somebody will be stupidly laying curse on innocent children. Somebody will be putting them in. We are not talking about political bad leaders right now. Individual that is suffering the same thing you are passing through. This battery have given me signal, you know. So we need to call it a day here. God bless you all in Jesus' name. So a lot have happened. A lot have happened, and more is still going to happen by the grace of God. So let us always do the needful by the grace of God and respect ourselves. They say respect is reciprocal. So in activism, you don't need to lie. Don't lie against anybody, and that's what I don't do. I don't lie against anybody. So I had an advent boy. So all these people, my dear, don't support them to commit evil. And so so what did you not expect at the end of the day? So a lot of them, if they are doing whatever thing they are doing, they have something to wash away the juju they are going to swear for them. And you now, you doesn't have it. So at the end of the day, what's going to happen? Okay. God bless you, Chairman. I'm rounding up right now. I'm rounding up right now. So I'm running up right now. It was a good time communicating with you guys today. I'm gonna take the good one, I'm gonna throw away the bad one inside. So at times, Nigeria matter the main person the paro, you know. So in the place where we are here, you cannot do this kind of a thing I'm doing in Nigeria. Either Balego will come and harass you. You can see that I've just been there since walking around, park my keke na pen, you know. I just drive out now, you know. So everybody, somehow we still have right here. And those American police right now, they want to fall our hand. They are not making us proud again. But before Spanish police go see do this kind of thing, a mí me da mucho vergüenza de Estados Unidos lo que su policía está haciendo. Hay que cambiar las cosas. Estados Unidos, lo que está haciendo, lo que vuestro policía no está haciendo, no vale para nada. A mí me da mucho pena, me da mucho vergüenza. Eso no vale para nada. No puedo ser. people with the same one come protect. Now I come the key. Yes, we not lock around. You know, the kind of life we live here, we see Obaseki bring this in society. That's why, because when I'm we're not a good society. As of why the 500,000 well we are campaign on our way. We know what's good environment. We know what's called a photosynthesized environment. We know it. We know what's called a gene. We know what's called equal right, you know. That's the way get country go, they talk to you. You talk to them equally. When I have you know, saying if I come this time before, una don't insult each other equally. Kilipoya. He called the pera, he called the pera. He called the sedo, he called the sedo. You talk to them. But our own, you get some people, they are above the law, my dear. If you talk to them, where they be Ladian will wanna. So God bless you all. Let's call it a day here. Thank you all. My name remains Comrade Newton Benegundia, Bishop of Activism and Change, you know. So we'll keep on doing our best until the end of time. Today is Friday, 29 May 2020, you know. So all we don't need is good governance. We are not talking with hate. We don't hate anybody. What we do, we hate your attitude. And you must have to change. You cannot say, because say one governor, one favor you, then make it put the state for a state of Lodiba. No, we will not accept that. You see, Anna, light in the work here, you know. Traffic light, everything, law and order is here. So all these things were not just done one day. It were not done by a warring government. Our government in winner. Today there are people here in Europe, they work with government. Most of our Daki today, they do inform and follow government. All these shoot where they happen at times. Our Daki, they shook themselves, that they work follow government. That they work follow government here. But we see the query at times say, bad. In Unama, why you go to report your co-brother or your co-sister? But at times you still look at person will go report you say they do courtesan. Who you are Delabe? The person wants to save other people's life because man, they want to see go. You have to see you go. Please, let's join us together to fix our state. And those states is not for the government alone, it's for all of us. So all of us can unanimously decide on how we want it to be. So for the now is how we wanted those states to be. That is how it is. So if we want it to go forward, every one of us let's contribute our best of quarters to be the change we want in our society. Thank you all and God bless you in the mighty name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Osalobano fiang be maya efe. Avetima erima kekeviyima kivima de rowaya efe osaloba yogwekuwa. Okwesa geno dena. Osalobano mweki avebe ni Jesu. In magayu no memata oita. No beme ibude oidire e igo kave ni ya arigo na tigofo. O se le togbon owe nori bonofu nyagbe uponopono gbera. Owe ge ede ado toku we ave tokime owe ni keke wunyime owo na han se aye. So if na aye were ba mo bo mata ba gbona. So e igo kave mi ya e mani bun waro no wagele mego bi na mi ro pama mu igorie. So why give my wagi all the time? Wagabe doloto be yinemo. Ebu no masi ayo moto. E society no ma give na webe. Abi pata bizi gana do ko boku gbe. Eni ke kina bi khami, abi nigi. Iga gwan kana, waga yu na na mi we ebu na odohin no ma. Abi okwi gbe na okwi mu na iro. Ketima overo turopa. Webe hiusi we nebu we uwe enegbe. Uwe tame mani kpari mani gbe noro we waga yu na bi bekani ya iri ani mana na dole ni na yi wala ho ona ewe ni be ni ye do we no wai saloba no ri giodo no ri etimba wati o carry over redo o carry over Nigeria o carry over local government up to constituency iwe mi no hwa oye be buni ma ye be we kugbe wa kede me we osege no sakai wa bi dai ho bitimene gbatimene of Wagbe, we need Jesus Christ in our